fix Discord cannot create threads issue. Well, if you cannot create threads on Discord, it is usually caused by missing server permissions, trying to create them in unsupported channel types, an active slow mode cooldown, or an outdated app build. So first verify your server permissions. Open up server settings, and once you open up server settings, select the relevant rule for everyone under the rules section. So navigate to the permissions tab, and what you can do is scroll down to the text channels, right? And once you navigate to the text channels, what you also want to do is ensure create public threads and create private threads is turned on. Under the permissions tab, you should be able to find it. Similarly, what you also want to do is you want to check the channel type. Standard text channels and forum channels are the supported ones. You cannot create threads inside voice channels or announcement channels. Move it to a dedicated text channel to start your thread. And also, if there is active slow mode, you want to wait it out. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.